What's up, guys? Thanks for stopping by today. Hey, we got something special for you today. We're going to a car show in Whitsett, North Carolina. We've got the Camaro all cleaned up, and we're going to go over there and we're going to check it out. I don't know if it's going to be an old classic car show or if it's going to be a new modern muscle car show or a mix between it all, but it's over at the Red Oak Brewery in Whitsett, North Carolina. So we're going to go check it out. So guys, let's get rolling. All right, everybody, we made it to Whitsett. We're parked over here in visitor parking because we're not going to put the car in the show. We're going to walk across the street over there and we're going to look at some cars. So guys, come on. All right, guys, we found something that you don't see every day. This is a mini, how do you say that?
Cabriolet.
Cabriolet. Ooh. Sir, I appreciate you if you tell me a little bit about your car here.
Yeah, this is a 1994 Rover Cabriolet. Rover made just 300 of these. They made them in the special projects department, but they came off the regular production line, took them to one side, cut the roof off, and then put everything that they had on the shelf, I guess, into it. So it has a body kit, has some fancy wheels, got the walnut dash. It's basically a Cooper underneath, Cooper engine.
So is it a 4-cylinder, 3-cylinder?
4-cylinder, 1275cc, 4-speed.
4-speed,
Yeah.
and this is a 94?
1994, yeah.
And what color did you say this was?
Cardinal red.
Cardinal red, and this is the original color.
It's the original color. It's all original.
Now, how did you get this here?
I got it from England. I imported it myself, and it was used by Rosewood Hotel in London as a promotion vehicle. They drove Santa Claus around the streets of London every year, promoting various charities with it. So it's had a pretty luxurious life.
So how many miles does it have on it?
46,000.
46,000, and that's all?
It's quite low miles.
Well, guys, that's something you don't see every day, so appreciate you telling me a little bit about your car.
Not at all, anytime.
And you have a great day, sir.
Thank you, you too.
guys, we're still looking around. Show's going good. We've got all kinds of cars here. Camaros, Fords, Mustang, some old classics, some new hot rods, some trucks. Even got a van or two in here. So guys, I'm gonna keep looking around. Come with me. Check out the 1969 Chevelle 396. Look what I found. Looks like almost a twin, except it's got a whole lot more motor than I got. I just been out doing some filming for my YouTube channel.
Yeah, back in the nosebleed, man.
I got one of these too. I had a few differences. I got the same wheels you got, but you got the dual tip exhaust. I got the single.
On a 19?
Yeah.
You got a 1LE?
2SS.
Oh yeah, he's a 1LE.
Yeah, I was gonna say the 1LE comes with the dual tip.
Yeah.
You can get the 2SS in it, but it's not very common. At least I couldn't find one.
Mine's a 2SS, and I got the dual tip. Mine's a 2SS with an RS package though.
Yeah, see, yeah, I didn't get the
What
RS
year is
package.
yours?
2019.
Oh, I got you.
2019. I didn't put it in there today.
No shit.
I got it parked over in another lot over. I just figured I'd come out here and walk around and look.
What color is it? Black.
Looks just like this one, except a few little modifications here and there. Got a lot bigger tires on his than I do on mine.
Both of us.
What have you guys done to the motors? Anything?
Yeah, you got a little cam swap.
Who did you work? Did you guys do it yourself or did you?
Mayhem
Mayhem
in Raleigh.
in Raleigh?
Yeah.
I've been to Mayhem. They did a tune on mine. I took it down there and did the.
What'd they charge you for the dyno? At least by next week.
How do you work on this thing? Here we go, the ZL1.
I had delivered 3 yesterday.
See, do they still have the score sheets?
Yeah.
Because I would love to see my score sheets.
trouble
Just out of
is-
curiosity.
The people that's got
Love the mannequin here.
Yeah.
they all work. So I spend evenings doing this stuff, trying to sort out there. But they're working hard at it.
I mean, I'm fine. I mean, like I said, I've been to one show. I have probably over 150 trophies. Been to one show where I didn't go home with anything. I'm like, I think today might be the second. Because this is like, somebody said it's not a judge show or something. I've never been up here before.
Well, it was our first show. And I have to judge you.
Well, I like it.
Go vote for it.
I will. Hey guys, look, I found this Poison Ivy Camaro. And what year Camaro is this?
It's a 2017.
2017, and it looks like you've got it pretty tricked out as far as where did you get these at?
This was all airbrushed by a guy in Greensboro.
Uh-huh.
And he airbrushed all that. The ivy on the side that reflects on the back side, that's a wrap. And it looks like this when the lights hit it at night. It kind of lights up and reflects.
Oh wow.
And I have nitrous on her, but she's broken, or she's empty right now.
So
She cannot blow anybody.
so now you've put nitrous on. Now this is a V6.
Uh-huh.
Do you know, have you dynoed it to see how much horsepower you're putting
It's
out?
350 some, but the nitrous isn't to the engine. It's just a purge for fun.
Really?
Yeah, because I'll blow the engine up if I try and do that.
Well, yeah, I could see that. Hey, other than changing, doing your paint job and your mods in here, have you done anything else to the engine?
Not yet. Once I pay it off, which I don't have much more to go. Once I pay it off, we're going to either do some kind of twin turbo or supercharge or something like that. We don't know what yet.
Well, see, I've actually got, the reason I'm asking you all these questions, I got a 2SS. It's a 2019 2SS. I brought it today, but I didn't put it in the show, so it's over another parking lot. But
Okay.
this is pretty much the most unique Camaro that I have run across. And you did all the lighting
All
here.
my lights, yeah, those run on 4 different Wi-Fi boxes. Each one of those lights can do something different. But I just like to put them on the one thing, and then I just flip a switch inside the car.
So now I noticed on the now you say this is a carbon fiber wrap on the hood,
Carbon fiber wrap.
and you got that done in where was that? Greensboro. Look, we've even got ivy in the floorboard here.
If you see it says "Look up at the stars," I got the twinkle lights up in there.
Oh man!
And then there's a seat divider back there in the back that lights up and it says Poison Ivy.
You have
I
got.
added all the green leather to the seats. It didn't come that way. All this green is color paint match. It's all been taken off and painted.
Now this is the 6-cylinder, but what package is it?
This is a 2LT RS.
RS, because I noticed it's got the lighting in
Yep.
the doors,
Uh-huh.
and they don't all come with that. You've got
Nope.
so this is the upgrade of the 6-cylinder.
Yes.
This is probably the most you can get on the 6.
Outside of the sunroof, and I bought the last brand new Krypton Green in the country, and it's this particular model, being a 2LTRS, is a 1 of 13, very rare.
One of
because
13.
It's manual and everything too.
Oh,
1 of 13.
yeah, I didn't even notice that. I didn't even
Yeah, I
notice
had a
that.
Hertz shifter in there.
Yeah, because I was gonna. I didn't even see that to start with, and you've even got the artwork on the back here.
Uh-huh. All this glows in black light, like at night. I have black lights in there, so that and the front all glows in black light.
You've even got the
The plate, my tail lights. You can't really see during the day, but you can see.
well, they're
right now they're pink.
they're pink.
But
Yeah,
I can make them where they're rainbow chasing and all kinds of stuff.
man. How much have you? How much did you say you had in mods on this car?
25,000.
25,000.
The car listed for 39,900 and something. I bought on December 30th of 2008 or 17. 18s are already out. Walked away paying $24,000 for this car because he kept calling. We tried for 3 months to buy it, and in the end, it was just like he called me on the 30th. He's like, "Do you want this car?" When you got the lot, like, I'll tell you, well, pay for it, and we went and picked her up.
Now, I guess the mannequin didn't come with the car.
No, she was extra.
She was extra. Well, that's like I say, you're definitely staying with your theme here. And now, this is the original color of this car,
Original color. Yep. Like I said, 1 year only.
and they only did it 1 year. And what color is this called?
It's called Krypton Green.
Krypton Green.
Uh-huh.
Well, you definitely can see it coming. And you changed the spoiler out. It looks like.
Well, I didn't even have one on my other one. I added that one.
You added that
Yeah.
one,
Added that.
and you also changed out your.
We did.
You
We
added
changed
that?
the bow tie and made it say Camaro instead.
Made it
So
say
I want something
Camaro.
different.
And you say your husband helps you work on this, or you work on it all by
he pays
yourself?
for it.
He pays for it.
Because I'm always gone to shows and he don't like to come. I'm
What?
like, well, I don't work. Somebody pays for it. But he'll come up with ideas and all that stuff. And like I said, he'll pay for it. I'm like, I got a good man.
Well, that's all that counts. You got somebody that supports you, and I like it. It's cool. It's a nice theme, and I've been around and looked at the other cars here, and none of them are doing this. Okay, so I don't know. So I don't know if it's the fact you're on the back row back here or what, but you
Got
want
here late. They went live at 7 o'clock. There were people pulling in. I'm like, it doesn't even start till 9.
Yeah. I got here about 8 o'clock, and I put my drone up, and I did a little couple of flyovers and everything, and then I've been walking around doing some filming because I don't have very long. So you're the only other person I've talked to. One other person about their car. You're the only other person that I've talked to, and I'm out of time. So you're gonna be the end of my video.
Well, I appreciate it. You have a great day and good luck today.
Thank you very much for your time, man.
No problem.
All right, guys, that was the quick trip around the Red Oak Car Show here in Wichita, North Carolina. I hope maybe you might have seen some cars you liked. I didn't get a chance to talk to a lot of people that I wanted to talk to because they were busy talking to others. And I was kind of pressed for time today, but I did get two people highlighted on this video. Two vehicles that I thought were rather unique that I haven't ever seen before. Or one of them dressed up the way it was, and then the other one was actually from England. So, and the owner had it shipped over here. And so anyway, something you don't see every day. Well, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you for your time. Appreciate you watching. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment also. Guys, see you on the next one.